Have you ever tried to use voice chat on Roblox, but the feature just doesn't appear, no mic icon? No option, nothing, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain who can use Roblox voice chat, why it may not show up, and how to fix it step by step. First, let's talk about who is eligible for Roblox voice chat. Roblox voice chat is automatically available for users who are 13 years old or above, live in supported countries or regions. If you meet these two requirements, the voice chat feature should normally appear on your account. However, if your country is not included in Roblox's supported regions, you will need to complete identity verification to unlock voice chat. If you want to see how to do that, I already made a full tutorial. You can check the link in the description. If you are already 13 plus, but voice chat is still not showing, follow these steps. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Look for voice chat. Make sure it is turned on. Once it's enabled, go back to your game screen. You should now see the microphone icon appear. To use voice chat, simply tap the mic icon to turn it on. If you already meet the age requirement, enabled the settings, and even completed verification, but the voice chat feature is still missing, then it's time to contact Roblox directly. Here's how. Tap the gear icon again, go to Help and Safety, select Help Center. Now, in the search bar, type voice chat. Open one of the related articles. But remember, we're not here just to read the article. Scroll down and look for the option to contact Roblox support. Tap the link. Now you'll see a form. Fill in all the required information. The most important part is the problem description. Explain clearly that you are 13 plus. You enabled voice chat. You completed verification if required. But the feature is still missing. You can write it in your own words or follow the example format they provide. After that, tap Continue, submit the form, and wait for Roblox's response.